everyone, my name is Ronald P. Crisolo. Everyone knows me as Borjok. From San Jose, Telegrapo. I am 20 years old. I was born in Goa, San Juan Evangelista, currently studying at Partido State University with the program of Bachelor of Automotive Technology. One of my favorite hobbies is playing basketball. This is sport that I love since I was kid. My expectation in the subject is to learn about the rules and experience of the different gender in society and how we can promote peace and equality. I hope to have a deeper understanding about the influence of gender on the peaceful, consistent in the society and how we can work together to maintain our peaceful society. For myself, I expect that I will be open-minded and willing to listen and learn on others. My very first impression to my teacher is she's kind and approachable. She seemed to be so eager to help us to understand and learn the topics that we have in our subject. I'm willing to listen and participate in the class for me to also learn in this subject. The challenge that I might be encountering in the subject is understanding the different point of view and experience of my classmate that is related to gender. My strategy to cope with this challenge is to listen actively, ask questions when I don't understand something, and lastly to reflect also in my own experience.